Prepare to be impressed. Move-in condition, just unpack your bags. High-end renovation. Spacious 4-bedroom 3 full bath Cape Cod. Gourmet kitchen West granite, stone backsplash, stainless steel pulls, espresso cabinets. Master suite with master bath and his and hers closets. Open floor plan. Freshly painted. Professionally landscaped. Custom blinds. Lower level features huge family room 4th bedroom with full bath. Backyard Oasis perfect for outdoor entertaining. Nice deck freshly stained. 500 feet Paver Patio. Fire pit. Flower garden planter with 4x4 posts strung with solar panel string lights. Large 24x12 shed, fully fenced rear yard.